Hi, in this video we will see how AWS X-Ray work. We will use a sample app in Elastic Beanstalk and we will analyze the process used in AWS X-Ray. So this tutorial is containing some prerequisites and deployment of Elastic Beanstalk and a Java app in it, and we will generate some trace data. We will also view service map in X-Ray console, and after that we will configure Amazon SNS notifications. Then in the last we will explore the sample application that we have downloaded, and then we will clean our resources that we generate. So let's first of all move to the Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk console has been open, but before creating the application there is some prerequisites that we should attach. So for that we need to open IAM and we need to attach some policies. This include X-Ray full access, S3 full access, DynamoDB full access, and also SNS access as well. So we will add it one by one. Attach policy, search, X-Ray full access, then the second one, S3 full access, DynamoDB full access, and also SNS full access, and attach policy. As we can see all the attached one we can see here in the console. We will close this window and we will create the sample application here in this console of Elastic Beanstalk. So the name will be same, environment name will also be same, platform we will choose Java 8. Application code should be the own code that we have downloaded from this tutorial. So this zip file we will download and upload here, as I have already downloaded. So I will choose the code, the zip file, open, file name, it is uploading. The file has successfully uploaded and we will create the application. It start creating the application now. It will take small time as well, like few minutes it will take to create all the applications including load balancer, auto scaling, etc. We will wait for some time until it's fully created. We can see it's showing successfully launched environment, and after some time it will now create the application as well. Yeah, it has launched the application successfully, and we can go to the applications directly and we can select the URL as well. As per the tutorial, now we need to choose how we can create the game and data as well. So we will give the username, my user, game we will keep same, and we will create the session. It will ask for the game name as well. So my game 1 and rule tic tac toe, and we will create the game. Play. And here is the similar map we have as showing in the tutorial. So we will just mark the boxes by clicking on it. And in the same window, we can use the service map. As per the tutorial, we need to view the service map in AWS console. So we will click this option and it will take us to the AWS X-Ray and it will start generating the data. As we can see, there is some error with the AWS SNS. So we will analyze the error here. Analyze the trace. First of all, the traces. View trace. Trace list. SNS has the warning. And once we select this one in the exception, it is giving invalid parameter email. So how we can figure out this one? We need to open the Beanstalk window. So for example, we will go to the Beanstalk console. In the same application, we will open application here. In the environment, here we will select the configurations. In configuration, as per the tutorial, we will select software configurations. So we will go to the software configurations. In software configuration, we will change in the environment properties. Under environment properties section, we will give the notification email. So once we give the notification email, we will apply and it is saving the changes. It will take small time to update the environment as well. It will take small time to update the environment as we have done few changes. We can see it has stopped changes and now we should receive an email. Yeah, we received the and we will subscribe the subscription. So we have confirmed it. Yeah, our subscription has confirmed. Once subscription has confirmed, so we will go to the AWS X-Ray in the service map and view it should green the SNS. Map is updating. Yeah, as we can see after the map is update, our SNS topic is now green and now we have fully green map here. Until this point, we have covered the configuration of SNS notifications. Now we will explore the sample application as well. In the sample application, we will check the code that we have. Yeah, we are in the same application code and the first directory is under this one. We will copy this one. It is under source, main, Java, scorekeep and web configuration. I already have opened this page. So here we have the given code as well. The next page is the Gradle build. So Gradle build I already have open as well. Build.gradle. and here is the code for it. The third one is the eb extension slash xray dot configuration, and it has the relevant code available, and the web config dot sample roles dot java as well I have open. So all this code is available in the application. Currently we are using the full access mode as we are not using IAM based policies. And now we need to delete uh, this option. In this one it is saying we can use the AWS config. In the AWS config we can only see the resources that we have generated, including DynamoDB S3 bucket and EC2 instance that we can do. And in the last we can do the cleanup for this tutorial. For that we can go to the Amazon Elastic Beanstalk console, and we can just delete the environment. So in the environment section we will simply select the environment and we will go to the action and terminate the environment. These windows we will close and we will give the environment name and terminate. It will take small time to terminate all the resources. Once this is terminated, the environment is terminated, all the underlying resources will automatically get closed. After that window, we get this window, and health is not there in the environment section. So this means our resource has been deleted. So thank you. This was our tutorial. Thank you very much.